What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. If you've ever wondered where editors get those clean, high-quality anime clips, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to get them fast, easy, and completely free. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. Number 1 is Anime Clips Online. Here, you'll find clips from almost every anime imaginable. Whether you need a specific scene or an entire episode's clips for your edit, this site has you covered. Next up is AnimeWorldTwixter.com. It's another amazing website where you can find high-quality anime clips and Twixter clips from all the most popular anime series. It's one of the favorite websites for anime editors. And finally, at number 3, we have the most popular one, Animedia. This is easily one of the best all-in-one platforms. You can download anime clips, CC and non-CC clips, Twixter clips, anime voice clips, and much more, all in one place. That's why it's ranked number 1 by many editors. Now, if you're only looking for Twixter clips, there's another easy way. Just open YouTube and search for Anime Twixter Clips. You'll find tons of results instantly. And if you're searching for a specific character, simply type the character's name, followed by Twixter clip. For example, I searched for Itachi Twixter clip, and there were plenty of results. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.